Have you ever pondered the possibility of making money using ChatGPT as a student? Well, ponder no more. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, specifically OpenAI's ChatGPT, and how you can turn it into a lucrative venture. First, let's establish what ChatGPT is. Courtesy of OpenAI, ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate human-like text. It learns from a vast amount of internet text and can answer questions, write essays, summarize long documents, and even create poetry. But the million-dollar question is, how can you, as a student, make money from it? Step 1. Master the use of ChatGPT. Invest time in understanding how ChatGPT works, its capabilities, and limitations. OpenAI provides a playground where you can interact with the model, explore its features, and get a feel of how it generates text. Step 2. Identify a niche. Find a problem that ChatGPT can solve. This could range from generating content for blogs, providing tutoring in various subjects, creating marketing content, or even programming help. The possibilities are nearly endless. Step 3. Create a business model. This could be selling ChatGPT-generated content, offering tutoring services, or creating a software that integrates ChatGPT. Remember, the key here is to provide value that people are willing to pay for. Step 4. Market your services. Now that you have a product or service, you need to get it in front of your potential customers. Use social media, online forums, and word of mouth to get the word out. Remember, a good product with poor marketing will struggle to make money. Step 5. Provide excellent customer service. Ensure your clients are satisfied with the services or products you offer. Happy customers often lead to referrals, and referrals lead to more business. So to sum up, making money with ChatGPT involves understanding the tool, identifying a problem it can solve, creating a business model, marketing your services, and providing excellent customer service. It might sound like a lot, but with a bit of patience and persistence, you could turn ChatGPT into a money-making machine. Remember, the world of AI is still in its infancy, and the possibilities are vast. So why not jump on the bandwagon and make a name for yourself in this exciting field? Who knows? You might just become the next big thing in the AI world. Good luck on your journey towards financial independence using ChatGPT. Before we wrap up, here are some extra tips to help you on your journey. First, stay updated with AI advancements. The field of AI is rapidly evolving, and staying abreast of the latest developments can give you an edge over your competition. Second, network with AI enthusiasts. Join AI communities and forums. Network with like-minded individuals and experts. This can open up opportunities and provide valuable insights. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment and learn. The journey to success is full of trials and errors. Remember, learning from your failures is a valuable part of the journey. In closing, remember that success doesn't come overnight. Stay persistent, keep learning, and you'll surely make your mark in the AI world. Now go out there and make it happen. Now that we've covered the basics and given you some tips, let's delve a little deeper into some specific services related to ChatGPT. First, content creation. ChatGPT can generate everything from blog posts to social media content, making it a fantastic tool for marketers and writers. Second, tutoring. From mathematics to language learning, ChatGPT can be used to provide tutoring in a vast array of subjects. Third, customer service. With its ability to understand and respond to queries, ChatGPT can be implemented to handle common customer service interactions. And fourth, programming help. Yes, you heard that right. ChatGPT can assist in writing code, making it a valuable ally for developers. These are just a few examples, and the potential applications of ChatGPT are vast and continually expanding. So, get creative and see where it can take your business.